Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about checkbox, radio button and radio group. First, let's see what is checkbox in Android. Android checkbox is a type of two-state button, either checked or unchecked. There can be a lot of usage of checkboxes. For example, it can be used to know the hobby of the user, activate or deactivate the specific action, etc. Android checkbox is the subclass of compound button class. To create each checkbox option, create a checkbox in your layout because a set of checkbox options allows the user to select multiple items. Each checkbox is managed separately and you must register a click listener for each one. The Android.widget.checkbox class provides the facility of creating the checkboxes. There are many inherited methods of view, text view and button classes in the checkbox class. One of them is public boolean is checked. It returns true if it is checked, otherwise false. Now let's see an example using checkbox. First, in the activity main.xml file, drag three checkboxes and one button for the layout. In the first checkbox, set text is equal to pizza, and in the second one, set text is equal to coffee, and in the third one, set text is equal to burger, and in the button part, set text is equal to order. And in the main activity.java file, let's see the code to check which toggle button is on or off. These are the packages imported, and the public class main activity declare three variables of checkboxes. Here I declare pizza, coffee and burger, and one button variable which is button order. Now create a method add listener on click on button click. That method is used for getting instance of checkboxes and button from activity main.xml file. Inside the method, the checkbox variables are cast by ID. That is, pizza is equal to checkbox find view by ID of r.id.checkbox. Like that, we cast all the variables by ID. Then apply the listener on the button click. Then we create a new on-click listener and set total amount is equal to 0. Then we check the items are checked or not. First, let's see if the pizza is checked. If the pizza is checked, then the total amount is incremented by 100. Then we checked it for all the items. And this is the output we get using this code. Now let's discuss about radio button and radio group. Radio button is a two-state button which is either checked or unchecked. If a single radio button is unchecked, we can click it to make checked radio button. Once a radio button is checked, it cannot be marked as unchecked by user. And the radio button is generally used with a radio group, and the radio group contains several radio buttons. Marking one radio button as checked makes all other radio buttons as unchecked. This is the simple example using radio button and a radio group. First, the radio group is set using width and height. Inside that, create two radio buttons with ID, width and height. And this is the output screen. This is all about my topic. Thank you.